Hi, my name is Joseph and I work here with the team at Roof Maker, and today we're going to be talking about roof lanterns. One of the key benefits you get when adding a roof lantern to your property is of course all the extra natural light that you'll get flooding in from above. One thing that can also be improved is the natural ventilation that the room below gets, and you can easily achieve that by adding an opening vent. Our lantern is one of very few slim frame systems in the UK that will allow you to incorporate an opening vent. You can get a real good idea of just how thin the glazing bars are when placed below its closest competitors. The Slimline is available with double glazed opening vents that open up to 300mm wide, perfect for circulating air in the room below and helping to regulate temperatures. It's also a great addition if you're in a kitchen or bathroom area and want to disperse steam or cooking smells. There are a few different options of vents to choose from, which are as follows. Option 1 is a manual vent, which comes with a pole, which allows you to open and close the vent by winding it manually with a screw jack attached to the unit. Option 2 is an electric vent, which is controlled by a chain actuated motor. This you will control with the provided rocker switch, which will mount to your wall. Option 3 is also an electric vent, but this time you get a clever little climate control unit. This can be used as a manual switch to open and close the unit, but at the same time you can program it with your minimum and maximum desired room temperatures. Should the room go above your desired temperature, it'll automatically open the unit for you, and should your room go below the desired temperature, it'll automatically close the unit for you. It also comes with a nice little rain sensor that you put out on the roof, and should it start to rain again, it will automatically close the unit for you. You can have up to 2 opening vents on each Slimline roof lantern, and they'll be positioned either side of the lantern on the longer pane of glass. For those of you truly trying to bring the outside in, we also offer sliding roof lanterns where the entire lid of the lantern slides to one side, and we offer that in both the pyramid and slimline format.